Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the 3D cursor, okay? This one is the 3D cursor. If I delete this cube, I'll just select the cube and delete it. I see this is the 3D cursor, okay? And if I press Shift and A, before that, let me show you let me open the add-on. Okay, let's go F4 and preferences, and let's see the add-on, the UVR. It was UVR, isn't it? No. Let me see if I can find it here. Shortcut VUR. Okay, let me install it again. Let me go to shortcut VR and let's type it and let's open it, and we can see this is the shortcut VUR. Okay, let me open it and you can see the changes. It happens from here. Okay, let's open this and yeah, you can see what I am pressing. Okay, for example, if I press Shift A, I can add things. If you don't want to memorize it with Shift A, you can go to here, add mesh, like that. But I recommend you to learn the shortcuts. Shift A and go to the cube. Yeah, it's going here. But I don't want this one to be here. I want this cube to be added to here, or here, or here, or any place. But I don't want to be placed in the origin. So I will delete it, and what I will do, I'll press, if I want to be here, for example, I will put my mouse here or cursor here, or I will press Shift and right click, and the cursor will go to here. When I click on press Shift A and add a cube, you see the cursor is like that. You see, it's very easy. Yeah, it's easy. Okay, so don't worry. If I want to bring this cursor back to here, I'll just press Shift C. Shift C, it will bring back the cursor to here. Okay, what if I want the cursor to be left here, to make it here? I will just select this cube and I will press Shift S, not C, Shift S, and I will select something. You'll see that cursor to select it. Yeah, I want this cursor to come to this selection. I'll click on this one, or you can press 2, but I'll select this. And the cursor went to here, you see? Or what if I Shift C it, and it will go back. But if I select this one and Shift S it again, cursor to active means cursor to select it. Again, it will go to here. Shift C again. Let's see what happens again. Shift S, selection, cursor to, let's say selection to cursor. I want this selection to go to the cursor. For example, selection to cursor. It will go to here. What if I put the Shift and right click to here and select this cube and say Shift S, selection to cursor? It will go to here. Do you see it? It's very easy. And Shift C to bring back the 3D cursor to the origin. You see? It's very easy. Shift S again. For example, if I put the cursor shift by pressing Shift and right click here, you want to bring back this, but you forgot the shortcut for the bringing back this to here, for Shift C. It's Shift C, but you forget it. For example, you know Shift S. For example, you will just click on Shift S and say cursor toward origin, and you click it. Let's see, it goes to here. You see, it's very easy. And yeah, and another thing that you can do is that you can go to the object and go to the snap selection. You can see that it's Shift S. This one is without knowing the shortcut. You can go to here, object, to snap cursor to select it. I didn't select anything, so I have to select this one and go to here, cursor to select it, like this. Or you will say cursor toward origin. It will go here. So it's easy. Okay, so practice a little bit and see you in the next video. Goodbye.